Nathan. Nathan.
That's her.
Nathan.
What? You're getting annoying. I just told you. I answered your question.
Do you like OBS or Streamlabs better?
Stop lagging.
Do you like OBS or Streamlabs better?
I just told you.
OBS? Alright, cool. Whether you're streaming from a PC or a console, to get the absolute best quality broadcast, you're probably looking for some great software. In the case of Windows, one of the most popular choices is OBS, or Open Broadcast Software. One of the things that attract people initially is that OBS is free to use thanks to being open source, which means free. Now I set up to actually stream, so I'm gonna go over the sources. Browser is pretty much is what you want to like stream what you're browsing. Color source, that you can change the color and the the warmth of your stream. Display capture is what I'm using right now, so it captures whatever is on your display. Game capture, so game capture is pretty easy. Basically you basically just open your game and then you find your game. It finds your game automatically and it just captures your game. When it's any full screen application, it just finds. Image is anything, you can put any image on the stream. Like say you want to put a picture on your stream or anything like that, you can do that. Image slideshow, you can have a bunch of changing pictures to do. Media source, you can input like a video or like again an image. It's just like a video mostly. A scene is like you can add a scene like I showed you in the last video. It's like putting your camera or like making your stream look really fancy and stuff. Text is text, you can put text, any text you want, like this, and you can put it anywhere you want. And you can just move it around right here, see? Make it bigger, make it smaller, big, and do whatever you want with that. So we don't want that right now, so we're just gonna remove that. Video sources, that's like a camera. If you want to capture any video source, any separate video source you have. Video capture is more important because you could capture your main camera. That's what you use for your face on the actual camera. And window capture is like any window that's open. So I have Discord open right now. So you have Discord open. You could open any window right here. It'll capture a window that's open like that. And group, that's just like it's like it's like a preset thing you have already for that. Scene is like you can add another scene. Yeah. So you got a good clip for your stream. You want to download it and upload it. Just go to show recordings. It shows all your recordings right here. And then remix recording is pretty much you find a recording you want. So say I want to let's just pick this, remix it, and then you go back to show recordings. See how it's now like that? That means it's remix, which basically means you can do anything you want with the file. It turns it into an MP4 instead of a VLC. So any cone is VLC. MP4 is you can modify that clip, but VLC you can't. It's just like a set clip, but MP4 is not modifiable. So yeah. And down here, if you want to change your audio, how loud it is, you can do this like that. This is your mic, but that's how loud it is. You don't have a. Doesn't really matter. This mic and aux really matters the most. And if you want to transition, say you have a scene here and you want to transition to like, say you have your screen's on right here and you have a camera in the corner, and you want to fade it. When you transition, it'll just fade to the camera, and it'll just show your face, not the screen. So that's for transitions for scenes. And scene collection is pretty much if you have like a set like preset for your scene for your stream, you can make one or import one here. Like you can download one off the internet and you can put it here. You can just come up on, it'll show up. So say you had another scene and you want to like set it up. So say this is the game I'm streaming, like this right here, and I want to switch to just the camera. You just go to scene 2. So this is like a whole nother thing. So you can add any sources you want just to this scene. So for this scene, just add whatever you want. So like picture. So you want to add a picture. So let's just add any picture I have them here. Let's just go to pictures. Pictures. So say I want to add this picture. You click OK. Make it the size you want. Say this is my camera right here. Right like that. That's my camera. And you want to switch just the camera. You make it big like this. And you want to switch scenes, you just go like that. So say like you want a break or something, you switch to this camera. Or you even here, I'll show you how to make a break scene. Or we'll be like an AFK scene. It's like on stream. Sometimes you're gonna need a break sometimes in your stream, right? So you go like this. Go to add scene. Just do it AFK. And text. Let's put be right back. And make it a cool font. I don't really want to search for a font right now, so let's just do that. Make it big. Just need to make it big like that. This is OBS's website, so I'll have a link in the description for the download. So if you have Windows, Mac, Linux. And if you want to read through, this is all the features I talked about. It goes over it briefly. And then if you have any questions or anything about OBS, you can look at the blog or the help page, because that'll help you a lot. I know it helped me for when I first started streaming. I looked at this page a lot because it gave me a lot of information on what I was doing wrong and like to help troubleshoot it. So yeah, and the forum, if there's any questions you have, tools or plugins you can get, or test builds or any development issues you want with OBS. So yeah, this is the OBS website. This next clip is an accurate representation of what's going to happen to you when your first time is streaming, because you're going to run into so many problems. This is going to be like or this, or even this. This is Tyler1. He's one of the most successful Twitch streamers on Twitch. He makes thousands of dollars a day just doing stupid crap. It's fun. He's so funny, and I'll show you guys a clip.
And I got disappointment. I gotta go. Football game's on. Gotta go. Shut up. I can host somebody. What? Will that make you guys feel better, huh? Shut up, guys. Shut up! I've been doing this shit every day! Almost for a year and a half! Games that I hate! That I don't want to play! I don't! I hate them! So God forbid, for the next 3 months, I do whatever I want to finally be able to play what I want to play. Okay? That's how it is. I don't care. I have wanted to do horrible things for the last year and a half. And finally, I don't have to. I'm done. Bye. A squad. There's all the subs today. The D's. Bye.
Now that I got everything set up, I'm ready to go. I'd recommend hitting the start recording button. It won't send you live, but it'll just give you a chance to run a quick test with everything to make sure everything is working as it should be and to make sure there's no like hiccups in the stream at all. So yeah, we'll hit record and just make sure everything's okay. Because it's not a bad way to get over first time jitters either, because a test never hurt anybody. If you'd rather dive in though, and you're all tested and ready to go, hit start streaming. If it is all well, you should be sending video and audio right to your fans' eyes and ears. And that'll pretty much do it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and a comment. If you learned anything today, consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend, and go Rams! Oh wait, if you're seeing this, the Super Bowl is already over, so let's hope the Rams win. And yeah, have a great day, guys. See ya.